So we're going to edit. Start from the beginning.
안녕하세요. This is Cafe 봄봄. 이거는 민티 라떼랑 먹어요. 믹스먼트 들어오면요, 그 바로 앞에 오른쪽에 찾을 수 있어요.
Okay, we're going to add a feature, not insert scene, but edit transition. We're going to add either clockwise, smart transition, have it fade, blur, clockwise, color dip, cross zoom, cross fade, or double white. Let's do that. And we're going to set it in this direction where it's going straight. And you can set the duration, apply to all. Let's just do one for right now. And let's see how it looks like.
Hello, this.
There you go. Did you like that? I thought so. Let's try it again.
Hello, this is Cafe Boom Boom, and if you see here, we have the stamps for 10, and if you
scroll down a little bit and you can see the video up there, and this part is the music that you've added in.
have purchase for every $5, you get a stamp, and on the 10th one, you get $5 off your next purchase.
Awesome.
Um,
아니 이거는
It used to be something we used to do, so if you just edit and you follow us and you show that you follow us, you will get a free bump on us. After you show us, then we will give you a of choice of either custard, red bean, or chocolate.
Let's check the volume. Go to AI tools. I want studio sound setting at, it was just a little bit too low. We had it at 208%, 388%. Let's see what happens.
So over here will be all the coffees we have. So
it's a little bit too loud. Let's go back here, AI tools, studio sound. Drop it down just a little bit, 307. So that way it won't sound like it has too much bass to it. Okay.
So we make our coffees with espresso shots in the.
That's better. Let's use our AI tools. And let's see. Green. Edit for clarity. Remove filter words. We can do that. Shorten word gaps. Nah. Let's just keep it like that. Change it to neutral. Click on the picture. Go back to property. Oops. Scroll down. I want the color of that image to a neutral tone. Just changed it, and it should have changed that color to a neutral tone. Let's
Americanos are with water, the lattes are with milk, and then we also make other type of milk drinks. We also have tea, and we also have a zero sugar beach iced tea that is pretty good. We also have a zero decaf mixed coffee, which is zero sugar and zero caffeine. So for those who don't want like caffeine but still like coffee taste or want to drink something sweet, we still have those options as well. And we also have a lot of smoothie options here as well. And our desserts, we have croffle, egg pong, and ham and cheese egg pong, and we also have boba bongs, which we have red bean, custard, and chocolate.
Can I see?
So I think I'm going to change the background layer. Click here. Move the cursor over. Where it says layout. Let's check out something else. We can try doing a caption or quote. Let's do caption. Let's see what happens.
My name is Ted, and if you want a bubble of 20, text this number right over here, and we will be able to make that for you.
Oh, so that's how you make a caption. I think I like it without the caption. Let's go back. All we have to do is click the undo button and it'll remove and go back. Click undo. There you go. And let's go back and replay just to check it.
Number right over here, and we will be able.
And there you go. You have it. Don't have to do anything.
We'll make that for 972-269-6103.
How can we reach you?
And what's really fantastic is that Descript is so smart. It even put in the text box right here, text us to order 972-269-6103. Interesting.
So if you just text us, you'll be able to reach us, but we won't be able to accept the call.
Let's go move forward a little bit more.
So this is our croffle, and you can make it into a strawberry cookie croffle and German croffle for a orange cookie croffle as well.
Yes. Awesome.
That looks pretty good. And what's really neat is the thumbnail. It can be created inside of Descript. Descript also creates thumbnails. Let's see. Descript is so smart that it can create thumbnails. All you have to do is click on AI tools here, scroll down, and you'll be able to find thumbnails. Here's how you do it. I'll show you. Click on AI tools here. Scroll down this panel all the way where it says publish. Underneath that, in that box, you can click on generate YouTube thumbnail. Once you've done that, give it some ideas of what type of pictures you want to use. I'm going to select some pictures. I'm going to click on this paperclip icon, computer, select computer, upload, and I'm going to find some pictures. I'm going to select this one, select this one, open. I'm going to select some more, upload, select that one, and as the pictures are being selected, it'll drop in this box, and you can see which pictures you'll use to make your thumbnail, just to give Descript an idea of how you want your thumbnail to look like. It'll give you an idea. I want that picture. Let's do one more picture. I'm going to select a business card, put that in there. Okay, so now it has 1, 2, 3, and 4 pictures to choose, and I'm going to delete this one off. Now we're going to click on generate. This is where Descript uses artificial intelligence to create a really good thumbnail for this particular video. Okay, now it's already created 4 pictures. Let's take a look. Oh, forgot to do one thing. Change the actual file. So I'm going to stop here and make the changes real quick. Awesome. So now they've made some thumbnails and I've saved them here, here, and here. Here are some ideas of the thumbnails that we can make. Here's one. It shows the different latte and the bubble teas, the picture of the person, business cards, and the address. It says Cafe Bonbon, Korean Lattes, Bubble Tea, Carrollton, Texas. I like that one. Let's use that one. Okay, so this one particular right here, this we're gonna change this picture. Click on it, go to this icon, it says replace media, upload from a picture from your computer, come down here, click on your folder where you set thumbnails, and let's pick a picture. Let's go with that one, click open, and it will change it. As you can see, it's uploading. There you go. There's your picture. Cafe latte. That looks kind of cool. Hit OK. And that's how Descript, working with Descript makes it a lot easier to edit videos and add all the captioning. You have the transcripts on the side. No mess, no fuss. Descript's made it so simple to use. Okay. So if you like this video, come check out the next video. I'll edit and show you. Alright, I'll talk to you later.